These animals are not statues. They were not carved by humans. They were once alive. And after entering this lake, their bodies slowly turned into stone. This place exists on Earth. It's natural, and it's one of the most dangerous lakes ever discovered. This is Lake Natron. Lake Natron is often called the lake that turns animals into stone. Photos from this place look unreal. Birds frozen in mid-flight, animals preserved like ancient statues. At first glance, it looks like something from mythology. But this lake is real, and science explains exactly why it's so deadly. Lake Natron is located in northern Tanzania, near the border of Kenya. It sits in a remote volcanic region of East Africa. The lake is shallow, extremely hot, and has a strange red color that already feels unnatural. Despite how beautiful it looks, this is one of the most hostile environments on Earth. The danger of Lake Natron comes from its water chemistry. The lake contains extremely high levels of sodium carbonate and other alkaline minerals. These chemicals come from volcanic ash and underground activity. Because of this, the water can reach a pH level of 10.5, similar to strong cleaning chemicals. It can burn skin and eyes. It damages feathers, scales, and flesh. For small animals like birds, accidentally landing on the lake can be fatal. They may become disoriented, injured, or unable to fly again. Here's the important truth. Animals do not instantly turn into stone. When animals die in or near the lake, their bodies don't decompose normally. The alkaline minerals preserve the remains. Over time, minerals harden around the body. This process is similar to natural mummification. The bodies appear stone-like because skin dries and hardens. Minerals coat the surface. Decay is slowed dramatically. That's why photos from Lake Natron look like statues. Nature didn't sculpt them. Chemistry did. Many of the famous images of stone-like animals became popular after photographers carefully placed preserved remains on rocks for artistic documentation. This caused confusion. Some people believed animals instantly petrify. The lake turns everything into stone immediately. That's not true, but the danger of the lake is still very real. So what if a human enters Lake Natron? Humans do not turn to stone, but the water can cause chemical burns, damage eyes permanently, irritate lungs and skin, become extremely dangerous with prolonged exposure. Local people do not swim here. This is not a place for humans, or most life. Here's the twist. Despite being deadly, Lake Natron is one of the most important breeding grounds for lesser flamingos. Why? Because predators avoid the lake. Flamingos have adapted to tolerate the alkaline water. The harsh environment protects their nests. This proves something incredible. Life doesn't always avoid danger. Sometimes it adapts to it. Lake Natron reminds us that Earth still has places humans don't control. Nature doesn't care about beauty or danger. Some environments exist purely on their own rules. Not every place on Earth was meant for us. This lake doesn't turn animals into stone instantly, but it does something just as terrifying. It preserves death, and Lake Natron is only one example. There are many places on Earth where survival is not an option, only adaptation or disappearance.